Chinese scientist has discovered the naturally occurring supercritical carbon dioxide. They identified bubbles from some hydrothermal vents in the western Pacific Ocean, and they have identified it as supercritical carbon dioxide, and this is the first time that the natural supercritical carbon dioxide has been discovered on the world. A team from the Institute of Oceanology of the Chinese Academy of Sciences and the Center for Ocean Megasciences discovered the natural supercritical carbon dioxide. They have found the supercritical carbon dioxide in the depth of 1,400 meters in seawater. Supercritical carbon dioxide is widely used in our daily life in the dry cleaning industries and as well as the petroleum solvents. And this is the first time the natural presence of supercritical carbon dioxide has been discovered by the scientists. The fluids of the supercritical carbon dioxide contain much larger amounts of nitrogen than those in surrounding seawater and vent fluids. Scientists also found some unknown organic materials in the fluids. Scientists says that the supercritical carbon dioxide with high nitrogen could play a significant role in promoting the synthesis and also the preservation of amino acids and other organic matters that are essential to the origin of life. The identification of supercritical carbon dioxide naturally is a breakthrough in the discovery of scientists. The scientists have started their investigation from 2016 in finding the supercritical carbon dioxide naturally.